Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 8 minus 5 and also 8 minus 5. Okay, most people solve this question like 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then again 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. But here they are wrong because this answer is not correct. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, A means exponent, M means multiplication, means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. But here multiplication, division both have equal priority, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Therefore, we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now let's solve according to rule. So P means parenthesis. First we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. Therefore 8 minus 5. Now solve this parenthesis. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Okay. So here is a one subtraction and here is a one multiplication. Okay. So second priority is multiplication. So we have to solve this part. So 8 minus 5 multiplied 3 is equal to 15. Okay. Now only subtraction is left. Therefore 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 7. So minus 7 is the correct answer. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.